Happy April Owls, it's Sam, your school counselor, and here are the announcements for the month. Friendly reminder, if you still need to submit your FAFSA, there is still time. Seniors and juniors that plan to be done this year and attend college in the 21-22 school year, meet with me as soon as possible to take care of this. On that note, if you plan to take community college courses this fall, it's time to apply. Your senior year is busy, and we know your to-do list is getting long. We are here to remind you and support you along the way. I can support you in submitting your FAFSA, applying to colleges online, and to set up an appointment with your college counselor at the community college of your choice. They will help you design your class schedule so that you will be ready to register for classes. If you need any support at all with this process, please let me know. Calling all middle school students, 11th and 12th graders. It's testing season, and SBAC and CAS testing will start on April 26th. Testing will be virtual this year, but you need a school-issued Chromebook or personal computer with a secure browser. Your teachers are reaching out to make sure you have the right technology to be set up for success. Make sure to talk with your teacher so that you have everything that you need. Testing will be with Sam Rourke, and if you have questions, please reach out to her via email. The author James Baldwin once said, "Not everything that is faced can be changed, but nothing can be changed until it is faced." With this in mind, we have a special opportunity for OFY students to earn community service by participating in the creation, marketing, and facilitation in a community event to commemorate the Tulsa Race Massacre that occurred 100 years ago in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This event and the people affected by this event need your support and passion to spread the word. We are looking for students who are interested in honing their skills in racial justice work, marketing, journalism, project management, and history to join us. Please ask your teacher for more information on how to join the Tulsa Project. Attention 11th and 12th graders. If you plan to graduate high school by next spring, you do not want to miss the opportunity to join our next CREW cohort. CREW is our college readiness program that helps you prepare for college by walking you through the college application process, financial aid, and all the other big questions you have as you prepare to move on to your next steps. Mark your calendar for April 15th at 5:30 for a virtual information night to learn more about the ins and outs of the CREW program. Make sure to pay attention to the several $25,000 scholarships that they offer. This month, the Future Friday theme is Career Pathways. We will be covering 5 different career fields: arts and communication, business and technology, engineering and construction, health services, human services, and natural resources and agriculture. We will be interviewing professionals in each field and sharing more information about specialized jobs in those fields. Keep your eye out on your email box to learn more about all these career fields and what you might be interested in pursuing in the future. It's best to find out all you can about your options so you can plan ahead and learn about the opportunities you never could have imagined. If you don't know where to start when trying to figure out your potential career path, try the California Career Zone. It's a free interest profiler using emojis to answer questions, and it will generate the top 100 suggested careers based on your interests. Some details you will learn of those careers are what they do, general overview of the career, salary ranges, things you need to know, things you might be able to do, similar occupations, education requirements, industries employing these careers, growth projections for the economy, and videos of the career. Head to californiacareerzone.org and take your interest profiler today. This month, we are highlighting the Sacramento LGBT Community Center. They offer a variety of services for LGBTQ+ youth, their families, and friends. Their goal is to provide housing, workshops, social enrichment, and leadership opportunities. They offer a drop-in center at the Q Spot, and it's open 5 days a week from 12 to 6 p.m. Check them out at saccenter.org/youth or follow them on Instagram at SacLGBTCenter. The graduation deadline for seniors is April 20th. Make sure to talk with me if you are planning to graduate this semester. Students, make sure to check in with me so I can help you. You can book an appointment, email, call, or even text me. I'll be waiting. Have a productive month, owls.